Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method from Burger King. Open the website bk.com, then click Sign Up. Then you will see a section for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click the Sign In button. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of this page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On this page, you will see an option for payment methods. Click on Payment Methods. Now, you will see the list of your payment methods. Click on the minus icon beside the payment method you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to delete the payment method. To continue, click on OK. And the payment method has been deleted. That's how you remove a payment method from Burger King. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.